What's up everyone, this is Ken here from Property Stories. So we need to talk about referrals. When you refer the case to a real estate agent, right? Real estate agents will give you referral fees. This is very normal in the industry. Okay? Everywhere in this business in Malaysia, you ask me, people will show us, hey, I refer to you this business, got referral fee. Very common question, right? But actually, how much is a referral you can expect? For a real estate agent, when you mention referral means you just pass the contact, your friends or your family, you just pass the contact, ask the agent to call, and the deal closed, right? The agent will give you the referral. Usually it's 10% of the gross commission. Let's just say the gross commission is 10,000, you will be eligible for 1,000. Okay? And this one is taxable. Of course, because on agent side, we will need your IC, and then the agency will pay. If not, we will pay more taxes. Or not, you can arrange with the agent. Sometimes you know the agent well, then from the account they don't mind actually giving you some referral. They can minus off for the company. That one let the accountant think on. But the standard one is 10%. I've got cases where someone actually called me, even rental 3,500 rental, also want 10% referral, also want referral 10%. Then talk so long, they say, oh, actually I want to rent for my family one, and the other agent actually give me 30% of 3,500. You know how much is that? 1,000 plus. I do this deal for what? I say, you never mind, no need. Oh, then never mind, no need, then never mind, straight away close the phone. So people are realistic one. At first ask me questions like customer, and then when it comes to that money, I don't know whether this person is a fake agent or just trying to fish for information or really asking for a referral. Because there's no agent that offering 30%. If that agent has offered 30%, please, you can actually give to the agent, because I also will refer to the agent and get 30%. That is what it means by referral. Referral is about 10%. Real estate. Referral here means you just give the phone number, follow up, everything, all until bank loan sign S&P, all the agent do. You don't have to lift a finger after you send the text. You don't even need to go sales gallery, you don't need to talk all this, no need. The agent is the one that will do all this, and you get 10%. Okay, that's the standard rate in the market. And one more thing, real estate agents, this is the 10% that you give to the client, to a referee. Okay, I hope you all don't spoil market. We all don't need to compete. Who can earn lesser. You give 10%, I give 10%, then everybody happy. You don't like, I give 10%, then suddenly you want a deal, you give 20, you give 30. That one all of us will end up poor. Not just you, not just me, you also end up poor. In the future, more people will refer to you because they know they can get a lot from you. And then one day you will find yourself, you work so hard, but most of your money go pay out to other people. You are working for other people instead for yourself. It defeats the purpose of being an agent, alright? Or defeats the purpose of being self-employed. Another one more, also co-broke. Make sure your agents, right, also know what it means by co-broke. Co-broke means automatic is 50%. And if someone that you don't know, someone who's not in the industry, they don't know all this, they depend on you to teach. Okay, so you need to tell them, if it's co-broke but you only give me the phone number and name, and I do myself, that is not a co-broke, that's a referral. So I'm only giving you 10%. Open your mouth and talk. If the person don't accept, next. There's so many sellers in the market, so many buyers, so many sellers in the market, so many people that you can work with, so many other agents. Don't have to be afraid of losing one or two. Alright, make sure that you get paid for what you're worth. Next is the referral programs. Agents, I know you all get approached a lot by a lot of people who offer service providers for related to real estate. For example, renovation, internet, moving services, all this. They will offer you referral fee, right? Okay, these are all extra income for you and added value for your customers also. Okay, negotiate something with them, and don't be afraid to ask. it's very common for the renovation companies or maybe moving companies or any companies at all, even the internet agents out there, people to offer you referral fees. Whatever you get, consider that as a bonus, as a pocket money. Okay, don't take it as a main income, no, and squeeze people for more. What we want referrals are, to me, I see referrals as pocket money. So to me, you make my life easy. How you make my life easy? I just give you the phone number, I give you the name, you go and contact and settle. So if the deal goes through, then you pay me lah, referral. My main job is to buy, sell and rent real estate. So I got this company, right, that approached me lah. I asked whether got referral program or not. So they say okay, got. Then I asked how much. 5%. Okay, 5%, no problem. So I asked the details like payment and all this. Looks good, everything looks good. Or 1 month, at the end of the month pay. Then I asked, okay, so how do I refer you? Very important, this question. How do I refer to you? The person don't understand. The person that talk to me don't understand. How do I? So I just say, do I just send you the phone number and name so you contact this prospect and arrange everything? Oh no, I have to arrange everything, or contact the prospect, everything, and then I only get 5% of the sale. This kind of referral is not referral. This one is actually another extra job. So differentiate between your job, your main job, and a referral. A referral, you take lesser because you do very, very little work. That's it. You just give a phone number, name, they call. Like renovation also, owner want to compare, you give three phone numbers, you let them compare lah. Then anything happen, if they take one of the three, then they pay you lah, the companies pay you lah. If they don't take, then let the owner settle lah. It's not your job, but real estate agent that is not your job unless you agree to collect some money from the owner, like management fees. Like some contractors, actually most of the contractors I know, they collect management fees on top of the renovation fees, because they need to monitor all the things and make sure that it's done correctly or in time, right? So they will collect management fee. You as an agent, you also can do that, but frankly speaking, this one is out of your job scope lah. You focus on what you do best: buy, sell, rent. All right. So I think that's all. Most importantly, to everybody, including real estate agents, before you do anything, please talk it out first. Ask first. Let's just say you ask today, hey Kenny, I refer to you this customer got referral fee. Ask, open mouth. And if I say no, it's up to you whether you want to refer or not, or you could pass to somebody else. If I say yes, then we can do business. And then once you already pass already, say yes already, you let go lah. You have to trust first, because you don't know what's gonna happen, when they're gonna get paid. All this you don't know. Okay, this is all based on trust. Really, this is based on trust. I do real estate also. Even other agents want to screw me over, so I cannot do anything. Honestly, a lot. Nothing much we can do. So I hope this explanation this morning helps. And if you want to earn a little bit of pocket money for your referrals, you know where to find me. All right. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.